Hey everybody, Don Dabney, owner of Left Coast Classics, and this is just a great little 1960 Austin Healey 3000. This is the BT7, and anyway, in this video I'm going to take you around it, I'm going to take you under it, but I'm even going to take you for a ride in it. It takes off, it drives so great. The braking, the suspension, the steering, the handling, everything's fantastic on it. It's got plenty of power. And as usual, there's so much traffic out here in Sonoma, it's hard for me to even get the car up to the speed I want to go, but it's just so comfortable. It's got beautiful leather, beautiful rugs, the dash is gorgeous. Just a really nicely done car. All of the gauges look to be in good working order. I'm looking at the miles per hour and I don't think that's quite calibrated correctly. So we might take a look at that. And I understand the overdrive, while it kicks in, it doesn't always kick in. So we're gonna look at that as well. No promises, but we'll see what we can do on that front. Otherwise, everything functioning fantastic. There it goes, the overdrive just kicked in right there. So yeah, I think there's an adjustment on these Laylocks, I'm not sure, but not a big deal. We'll take a look and try and figure it out. So anyway, there you go. Super fun car, beautiful to look at, wonderful to drive, even smells good in here. If you have any questions, the best way to get a hold of me is directly on my cell phone number. If you're on a third-party site, a lot of the time they route you through 800 numbers. Best way, just get a hold of me directly right here on my mobile number and jot that down if you have any questions. And then also, if you're on a third-party website and you're checking this out, you really should head over to my website, leftcoastclassics.com, because over there's a lot more content and probably somewhere in excess of like 300 photos. We have like a secondary gallery with a lot of redundancy, but it lets you really see the car in different lights. What else? If you could like and subscribe, that would be really great. We're like somewhere around 9.5 million views on my YouTube channel, which surprises me, but sure. And even if, you know, it's a car you wouldn't necessarily want to buy, it's kind of cool because I'm always driving around in something totally fun out in the wine country here up in Sonoma or down in Orange County. at my other place, and I'll usually be cruising around Newport Beach and stuff. So that's kind of fun. Do all that. Check us out on 3 episodes of my favorite car show in the world, Wheeler Dealers on Motor Trend. I think they're still on Motor Trend. Yep. And what do we do? We did a 57 Ford Thunderbird years and years ago. We did a Lancia Fulvia. That was back, I think 2019, kind of a cool car. Then we did a really cool episode on a one-owner Triumph TR4, where we actually brought the car back to life. I did that with Mike, so that was kind of a unique, if you know Wheeler Dealers, that's not the normal thing, so that's kind of fun. Check all that out. Keep watching the video, because there's a lot more going on ahead of this, and get in touch anytime. All right, talk to you soon. All right, heading under the Healey. This is clearly, the car looks like it was rotisseried, and that was quite some time ago, and I don't think it's been cleaned since. But very nice, no rust, no rot. Everything looks in order. Expect a few damp seals here and there. Looks like they replaced all the front components at that time. We got nice disc brakes. I can see actually the sticker on the wire wheel from the replacements. Everything looks good over there. Same up here. Nice. And get into the, like I said, we got some damp seals. We're going to always expect that on our old British cars, my personal ones included. But about normal. Proper exhaust. Took a little dig on the bottom, but they are kind of low. Very nice under here, and good shape. All right, for our Midwest friends back east, for places where cars rot, got a little magnet, very light magnet. Don't worry, it's got a little film on the back, won't scratch anything. Just go around the lowers. Just grabbing great. Excellent. Let's head over to the other side. Yeah, look at that. Stuff got all over it when I was driving it. Couple of door chips there, so probably easily touch up. And let's just take you left rear quarter, go around the rack. We'll show you the lower parts of the car. Yeah, they look good. And looks like we got a little bit of chippage right there, but looks good. Let's head to the front. Looks good under here, except this is when I'm always reminded of, I got to remind the detailers to pay attention to the details, like that. But pretty good. Got a little bit of a crack in the paint there at the nut. Anyway, hopefully that gives you a good idea of what we got here.